My dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about proving that segments and angles are together. So we're going to have, on the next slide, a set of statements that we're going to make, and then our rationale, so our reasons. And so, for example, they're going to try to get us to say that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We would give 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then our statement because addition. And then if it needed more reasons and more statements to get to it, so we might say 2 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. So then we would say 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 because subtraction. So that's all we're doing, is we're slowly trying to figure out why is this true, and then we're going to give our statements and show our steps. So, for example, they want us to prove that angle EBA is the same as CBA. And the only thing that we know for certain is that angle 1 and angle 3 are the exact same measure. So the first thing we always have to do is we have to type in our givens. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 3. And that's our given information. We know that. So that means that the measure of EBA is the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. And we know that from our angle addition postulate. So that just means angles adding together is just factual that they make a bigger angle. Postulate is just a given. Which means that angle EBA is measure 2, again, but we can say plus 3. Instead of plus 3, we can say plus the measure of 1 because they're equal to each other. So I substituted 3 for 1. So substitution property means I can go from 3 to 1. Commutative means that it's the same in any order and I'll get the same answer. So that means that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 due to our commutative property. So 2 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 2, commutative property. Which means that from above, we have the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. Measure of 1, angle 2, is going to be the measure of angle CBD. So, CBD is 1 plus 2. And because we had 1 plus 2 above our transitive property of equality, that means that if this is 1 plus 2 and this is 1 plus 2, that means that whatever these guys are equal to each other. So that means that the measure of angle EBA is equal to the measure of angle CBD. So, to say that one more time, this is our given. This added together, I can flip it 3 to 1 due to the substitution. I can rewrite the order of 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the same as the angle CBD. And if 1 and 2 are equal to that, and 1 and 2 are equal to that, these are equal to each other due to the transitive property. So that's it. Just trying to work from our givens to our final proof. Another example of this could be that AC is equal to BA plus BA. So this whole thing is equal to these two chunks twice. And we want to prove that AB is the same length as BC. So we have our given. Then I can write B plus C is equal to AC. So A plus B and BC is equal to AC. And that is our additive postulate of segments. So I'm adding things together. Postulate, it's just a given. We don't have to really prove that. And then adding segments together equals the longer segment. So A plus B was the given. It's going to be equal to A plus B again. But instead of A plus B again, I can change it to BC because of AB plus AB equals our additive one. So ABC is equal to AC. So that's how I got this side here. But also I got AB over here. So this is true of our transitive property. So because of our given of AC being AB and our additive postulate, I can set those equal to each other. And finally, our subtractive postulate, I can subtract AB from both sides and be left with AB equals BC, which is the proven. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.